Today we are covering Huawei H12-891 HCIE-Datacom. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question is, the following description of the BGP route reflector is: Option A. Cluster_list is an optional non-staging property for ring protection within the cluster. Option B. The route learned from the client. All non-clients and clients publish to this RR. Option C. A network of bones is divided into multiple reflection clusters, each of which configures the other RRs as an non-clients and establishes an IBGP full connection between the RRs. Option D. The originator_ID attribute is generated by the route reflector RR for intercluster ring protection. Correct answer is option B and option C. Next question is, IPv6 introduces the solicited node address which is described correctly below. Option A. This is a specific address that is used for resolution in ARPv6, the MAC address. Option B. The solicited node address on the router interface is automatically generated and can have multiple. Option C. If the solicited node address is not configured, the router automatically generates one on each interface. Option D. IPv6 introduced the solicited node address to support IPv6 multicast. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, if you have a local area network running 802.1d spanning tree protocol, the non-root switch does not receive which parameter under the root switch? Option A. Max age. Option B. Root cost. Option C. Forward delay. Option D. Hold time. Option E. Hello time. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, the following description of the CHAP authentication function in the PPP protocol is correct. Option A. The username must be configured under the authenticated party interface for CHAP authentication. Option B. If the authenticator does not have a username configured, password. Option C. Can also be configured without the authenticated party interface using the authentication sequence ID, random number and key a hash value. Option D is calculated using the MD5 algorithm. 3 message interactions are required for authentication, and only the username is transmitted on the network without the password. Correct answer is option A, C and option D. Next question is, ISIS elects DIS in broadcast multiplexed access networks, and the following statement about DIS is correct. Option A. ISIS elects DIS by comparing priorities and MAC addresses if the priorities are consistent. Option B. In a broadcast multiple access network, DIS sends hello PDUs at 3 times the frequency. Option C. DIS guarantees database synchronization by periodically sending CSNP messages. Option D. DIS supports preemption function after the new DIS preemption is successful. There is no need to flood any LSP packet. Correct answer is option A, B and option C.